Hello YouTube, Inconsistent Gardener here, and I'm going to work on the front yard a little bit. Alright, you know the drill. So I guess this has turned into just trying to get the grass away from things, which obviously the grass is going to be a bigger problem in general. So I think I'm going to try to get up in there and cut that lipstick salvia there. Okay, so I didn't really do much in the ways of making it pretty, but I really was trying to get a bunch of grass out of shit. But I did clean up this whole little section. And then I did the roses. But I didn't want to do them too hard because it's not time for that yet. I cut this salvia here. And then I just cleaned up the grass around plants that I had. So I need to come in with the weed whacker still to get this other shit, but I just wanted to let the plants get some air. And then, like, see, I still have to tackle all this fucking grass. This mountain of fucking grass. But I cleaned around the daisies. Sort of the aloe vera, if you have any tips on how to clean that good. And my lantana's still alive somehow. And then I tried to do around the salvias. Which, I mean, it looks a lot better than it did. And then I cut the salvias a little bit, but I need to cut them hard so they can come back to life. Anyway, that's really all I did. It's not much, but I can't work that long anymore because I get headaches. Anyway, thanks for watching this episode. The Inconsistent Gardener. And hopefully, maybe in a few days, I'll feel good enough to do some more. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.